says that she loves me, she just wants to fool me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella reckless, cashing all my checks rich. Dickies on my neck, shit, she's on the offensive. I do not know my set list, still I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I have a death wish, live until I'm breathless. I'ma stay progressive, she gon' stay obsessive. Life is so expensive, do everything excessive. I think my brain's defective, yeah. Can't think when she's aggressive, yeah. She snuck into my section, yeah. You think I'd learn my lesson, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep, yeah. She's sitting up in the front of the class, using that ass, she gonna pass. Keeping her pad and her pen in her lap. She been so bad with the men in her past. Now she just want the professor so bad. I'll give her lessons that she never had, like taking a freshman and teaching her math. I'll keep her guessing until she a grad. She always leaves them guessing, they don't know what's next, man. Learned it from the best, man. She loving every lesson, with hands-on sessions, points for attendance. She asks a lot of questions, I answer with my presence. I sit back while I'm texting, said she wants to get in, said she'll bring her best friend. Know what happened next, man, you know what happened next, man. Treat her like a guest, man, rolling out the best, man. She had a confession, yeah. She wanna stay for a minute, she wanna play for a minute, she wanna stay for a minute, and now I'm all up in it. I'll be back in a minute, I'll be back in a minute, make a track in a minute, and now I'm all up in it. No sleep, these girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep, yeah. No, we ain't getting no sleep, yeah.
Rfid? Rfid? 400. 400. Linya rin, ma'am? Linya?
400cc, sir. Yun. Pantag mo, sir, ha? Nana kay appointment karon, sir?
Oo, na.
Pakita lang yung number ka itong appointment.
Number 13. Sir, good morning. Prepare lang sa airport. Pero may card na yan.
Yes, sir. May card na yun. Pero wala ka siya. Sir. Select na po yung number 15 na.
First name, last name, sir? Sir, very fast lang. Wala ko nila, sir. Dai. Baru lang sa mga motor niya. Ako rin sila.
Sige.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Okay. Oh, dara. Ang uban, daan naman sa Manila.
Duha ni ka sa kwansa?
Oh, duha. High and low. Pwede rin siya tunga lang.
Taka kay plastic ra ba ni sulod?
Oh.
Oh, mo to sa
Plastic
bala.
na kay white no.
Murag LED manang white guro.
Sa to pa ang suga ni spana, pwede ra sugar meat. Metal ba ni?
Plastic.
Diri na nakibutang sir.
Ay, ikaw.
Kani diri basin niya mo kwan sa paana man yung kwan di ba? Suga.
Pwede ra na ari eh. Oh, unsa?
Diri na nakibutang sir. Sa okay ra man siya basta plastic ang diri. Ari na ko diri.
Ako ang pasigaon daw eh. Suga.
Okay ra sir, ano na diri. May kanin lang ba?
Na, mukuan man na agad.
Siga na. Amora na yung siga sir.
Oh, LED na siya.
Okay. Abi nag-appeal ko dito. Okay ra diri.
Ay, apil dito ba ba?
Okay.
Sir, sa pag-install na to ni bawal siya mabasa sa tubig or ulan ha. Within 24 hours niya. Kasi 1 year warranty niya. If in case di siya ma-detect sa tollway, pwede na ito gamitan ang card as second option na to.
Swipe po. Asa ta pwede magpa-load ana?
Kuan sir, as of now, wala pa may